Good evening. Welcome to M1's shortened news in English, Hungary Reports. I'm Híradó, bringing you today's news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin. Let's get started. The vaccination of healthcare workers is still continuously ongoing in Hungary. By Wednesday evening, more than 31,500 people received the COVID-19 vaccine. In addition to hospitals, several nursing homes have also started getting the inoculation. The first residential care homes to receive the vaccine are the country's 4 largest live-in institutions. More than 1,200 people requested vaccination in these 4 institutions.
Both the residents and the staff have signed up in great numbers to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. 447 employees and 779 residents, altogether 1,226 people, have signaled that they wish to participate so far. Administering the vaccines is a big logistical challenge for us, since I don't think Hungary, or any other country for that matter, has had to organize vaccination in such great numbers ever before.
Vaccines arrived to the Metropolitan Municipality Home for the Elderly in Budapest in the early hours of Thursday. This institution was one of the biggest hotspots for the virus back in the spring. Almost 500 people signed up to receive the medication here. The Coronavirus Task Force has recommended to government that middle and high schools continue remote learning from January 11th. The State Secretary for Public Education, Zoltán Maruzsa, announced at the task force's press conference on Thursday that the issue is not education-based, it's pandemic-based, and when deciding, they chose to err on the side of caution because the people's safety is what's most important. Retail trade dropped almost 1% in November in Hungary compared to a year earlier. According to data from the Central Statistical Office, compared to the previous month, however, the same number grew. It was primarily trade in grocery and convenience stores that increased, while Hungarians purchased more than 9% less fuel than a year earlier. The State Secretary for Trade Policy told M1 News that online trade turnover grew significantly during the holidays. Péter Cseresnyés emphasized that the pandemic urged people to spend money more carefully and concentrate more on their savings. The Korean battery manufacturer Sangshin has announced that it is significantly expanding its production in Hungary with the help of Hungarian state funding, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Trade said on Thursday. Péter Szijjártó said that Sangshin is expanding its factory in Jászberény for almost 30 million euros. The minister emphasized that the investment will create 150 new jobs. That's all for today. Catch the English news every day around 11:20 p.m. local time or stream it anytime online. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, wear a mask. Good night.